office in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 1:30 p.m. At 12:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Shore, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, South Shore, Englewood, Roseland, Chatham, Auburn Gresham, Hyde Park, Greater Grand Crossing, South Chicago, Woodlawn, Kenwood, Calumet Heights, Washington Park, Avalon Park, and Burnside. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 104. Interstate 94 between mile marker 60 and 62. Interstate 294 between mile marker 60 and 62. This includes University of Chicago and Museum of Science and Industry. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a special marine